There's another breaking news coming in. Just stay on with us. More resignations is coming, and wow, this is the Nepal president Ramchandra, who has also resigned now. Nepal, as we speak, has no president and no prime minister, both of whom have resigned. Now, what we are looking at, Amit, over here is an absolute takeover by the people. They have not just taken over the streets of Nepal, they have taken over the political leadership across the spectrum. So now, just help me understand this, who's running the show? When the Prime Minister and President both have resigned, who's running the show?
Literally nobody. At this point in time, no one. It's the Gen Z crowd of Nepal, which thinks they are in power, in control, but I think their sense will prevail by tomorrow morning, and then the army will kick in, and along with that, leaders such as Balendra Shah or Balen Shah, who is popularly known in Kathmandu, will be speaking to these Gen Z crowd who are roaming on the streets of Kathmandu right now. And they are in a mode of celebration, but possibly by the end of the day, as the night chips in, there could be a better sense that will prevail, because even Balendra Shah has said that, there's no point to damage the property here on, because it's your own tax money which is going to fire, which is being set ablaze. So I believe, and we can hope that better sense will prevail. But the crowd have equal kind of participation from men and women, from boys and girls. And that too, I've seen through the day, Sonal, when I was standing in front of the parliament this morning, what I could see was that a class 10 student was protesting there. And right next to him was somebody in his 20s who lost his younger brother yesterday. And even then, he was in front of the parliament. You could see how the smoke is still coming out of the Singh Darbar area, which means that it's far from over, but the victory marches continue. Sonal.
All right, Amit, stay on with us. Pankaj Das is also joining us. Pankaj, take us through. All right. Okay, we'll try and connect that line. We have 4 reporters in Nepal tracking exactly minute-to-minute update for you. But because of signals, etc., what's happening is that we're losing out connection with our reporters as well, and also keeping sure that they are safe. There seems to be, because this is a crowd that has gone wild. This is a crowd that does not know where to stop. This is a crowd which has had its way, and even in way of victory, continues to destroy buildings, government offices, judiciary, political party, media houses, anything that comes in their way. So we don't know what next is going to happen.